Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $4.93 that I plan on putting into my envelopes. So I'm just gonna, in this video, figure out how all that money is gonna go into each one. That way I can figure out the denominations I'm gonna ask for. And then when I go to the bank today, I can get all that money out for my cash stuffing. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video, just figure out all the amounts that are going into each envelope. And I have some savings challenges I'm going to be filling as well. So I'm going to get started first in my wallet, and I already figured that amount out. I already have that figured out here. I usually put the same amount each week. This week my wallet's getting $170. I'm going to put 30 into spending. Eating out's going to get 30. Groceries will get 80. Coffee 20. And buffer will get 10. So that's a total of 170, and that's all going in my wallet just for my normal weekly spending. And then whatever leftover money I have in here at my next cash stuffing, I will just put this into savings and just start this over at the end of the week. Okay, so that's my wallet. 493 minus 170. So that leaves me with 323 to put into the rest of my envelopes. I'm actually going to first start off in some savings challenges just to get those out of the way. Let's see what I can do over here. So I have this roll the dice kind of one. So I'm just going to get some dice. Okay, I think I'm going to roll 3 times for this one. Okay, so this one's going to be 4 and 5, and all I need to do on this one is, hopefully you can see it without any glare. Let me see. Yeah, okay. So this is the 4, and then this is the 5, and then you just meet. Just go until you meet, and it is this like gray little heart. So that is $3. That's basically how you do this one. So I'm just going to grab a sticky note and write down all the totals I get using the dice. So that's 3. Okay, so I have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6, another gray heart. And then last, I have 4 and 4. That's a little leaf, and that's 10. Okay, so this time around, I got 16 for this challenge. That's a good amount. So 16, roll the dice. So that challenge is done. Take this away. The next one I want to do, I'm trying to focus on my 100 envelope because I'm close to finishing this one. So I want to do 2 this week? I'm going to try to do 2. So I'm just going to start with 5 and 10, and then whatever leftover money I have, I can bump it up. So 5 and 10, I will plan for those 2 for this challenge. 5 and 10, that's 15. Okay, that's 292. All right, I think those are the only ones I want to do right now. I'll come back to this. And then I'll figure it out, like after I fill out the other envelopes, what I have left to do some more challenges. All right, so I have some that I want to focus on in here. So I want to do extra savings this week. I'll do 15. And month ahead, we'll get 15 as well. So that's 30. Oh, already messing up. 493, 170, 15, 15, 5, and 16. Okay, there's 2 more envelopes in this binder. So I have Go Wild, which I'm going to soon. So I want to put 15 in here as well. Go Wild, where are you? Here you are. Okay, 15. And then Treat Yourself will get 15 as well. Yeah. Those are the ones I wanted to focus on first. Now the rest I can just fill. So auto this week. Auto will get 10 this week. Electronics, this isn't a huge priority, so that's getting 5. Emergency will get 10. Okay, already did that one. Furniture will get 5. Okay, that one's done. Rainy day will get 5. Registration, 5. Road trip, I don't have any out of town plans coming up, so this will just get 5. Scentsy will get 5 as well. Subscriptions, I will put 10 in subscriptions this week. And travel will just get 5. Right. Next binder. All right, so I have beauty this week. I'm just gonna put 5 in this one. Clothing, I have 0, so I will put 10 in here. Costco will get 5, but it also gets leftover money from my wallet, so it'll actually get more than 5 this week. Family, will get 10 this week. Gifts, 5. Home, I have 25 in home. 5 this week. It's not a huge priority. Household will get 10. Pantry will get 5. And Target will get, I have nothing in Target, so I will put 10 in here. All right, so I'm left with 102. I think I'll be able to bump up some of these amounts. Okay. All right, I already did Go Wild, so that one's done. Disneyland. I will put 10 just because it's coming up quick, but not next week, but the week after. So get some in there. I already did that one. Fun will get 10 as well. Hobbies will just get 5. Christmas will get 10. And holiday decor will get 5. Okay, so I have 62 left. Trying to think. I still have Cash Stash, 52 circles, and then a 10, 5, and $1 challenge. Okay, I think I want to bump up my high priority ones from 15 to 20 this week. So I will make that edit. Okay, so these will get 20. That's extra savings, month ahead, Go Wild, and treat yourself. So that's $20. That's 5, 10, 15, 20. That leaves me with 42. I think that's a good amount to go into my savings challenges that I have left. So first one up, I have a new Cash Stash one that I started last week. This one's fun because it's this really pretty stained glass drawing I get to color in. So I'm just gonna do, I'll just do 10. And then if I have leftover money, I could just see if I can bump it up there. So this one will get 10. And then, 52 circles. Actually, let me do this one. I'll just do one. This one is a $10 challenge and 120. So I'll just do 10 in this one. 10. Okay. And then this is a $5 challenge. So I'll just color in 2 of these little piggies. That's another 10. Okay, I'm left with 12. Cash Stash, I'll just do 10 on this one as well. And then I have 2 left for the $1 challenge. Okay, that worked out. $2 for just the $1 savings challenge. Okay, I think my total's correct, but I'm gonna double check just to make sure I do have 493 here. I'll do that off camera though. Just do my final check and then I can move on to the tallies. Okay, totals are all good. So now I can move on to the tallies and I'm just gonna get the least amount of bills for each thing. So auto is going to get a 10, Electronics is 5. Emergency is 10. Extra savings is a $20 bill. Furniture is 5, 20. Then I have a few 5s here. And then a 10, a couple of 5s here, a 10, a 5, 10, 5s, 10. Lots of 5s this week. I always try to at least put 5 or even $1, depending on how much I have into my envelopes. Each envelope will get something. That's always my goal that I try to do. 10, 5, 10, another 5. Okay, and then for the challenges, I need a $5 and then a 10. Cash Dash will get a 10. Roll the Dice will get 16, so 10, 15, 16. 52 Circles gets 10. And then I have this breakdown. So I have $10 challenge will get a 10. $5 challenge will get 2 5s. And the $1 challenge will get 2. So, let me count the tallies. So I have 50s, I have 1. 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Almost counted that wrong. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, I actually have more 10s than 5, so that's good. 1s is 7, 8. All right, so now to see if I calculated this all correctly. So I have 50s, that's $50 total. 7 20s is 140. 20 10s is 200. 19 5s is 95. And 8. All right, let's see if this is correct. So 50, 140, 200, 95, and 8. 493. Perfect. All right, so I'm just going to grab a sticky note now and write all this on here so I can give this to the teller. So I have 50 times 1 is $50. And then 20 times 7 is 140. 10 times 20 is 200. And then I have 5s. I need 19 of those. That's $95. And then 1s, 8. Total of $493. Okay, so just put this in my wallet, and then that is it for this video. So thank you again so much for watching, taking the time out of your day to watch this video. It really means a lot. It helps out my channel a lot. So thank you for doing that, especially if you watch to the very end. You're amazing. If you're not already, please hit that subscribe button. That really helps out my channel. So I'd really appreciate the support in doing that. It's free, so you can definitely fit that in your budget, which is good. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, again, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, all those things, and I will see you in the next video.